So what's going on, everybody? I wanted to make a video kind of telling you what's going on and kind of how to just kind of set your business up so that when you are trying to elevate your business, take your business to the next level, get to the point where you are no longer working in your business and you're working on your business. Some things that you can do to kind of mitigate that transition a lot smoother, right? You know, we get so caught up in and trying to be in control of every aspect of our business because our business is our baby. You know, it's what, something that we created and we're trying to nurture it, trying to grow it, trying to build it, right? So what's going on now is that I have an account and I'm at the account currently, and it's a W-2 employee, 7 day a week account, right? And I have two workers currently that work Monday through Thursday. One that has a morning shift, one has an evening shift. Then we have we have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday that's available. Originally, I had the person that was doing the day shift working on Saturday. The person working the evening shift was working, and the weekend shifts are abbreviated shifts, right? So they're about 3 to 4 hours a day, right in the middle of the day. So the person that works the swing shift was working Friday. So Friday was covered, Saturday was covered, and Wednesday I was taking over because initially we had somebody else doing it. They went away, so I just took over, right? So I was doing Sundays, and that was abbreviated. So roughly around 1:30 for 1:30 to 4:30, 5 o'clock, something like that, right? So now I decided, okay, let me go ahead and kind of restructure how we have it set up so that now I don't have to do any of the cleaning. I can just come in and do some of the special services that I provide. I'll still do that stuff. So what I did was I brought in somebody else who's being trained now by my day shift person, who's actually going to become, and this is how I'm showing you how I'm a transition, who's actually going to become more of the lead site manager of this site, in addition to being, my field operations manager. And I'm going to explain what that is. I don't know if it's the correct term to use for that, but this is what it's going to be, right? So what's going to happen is right now she's training the new young man that's going to be working Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, right? So in essence, he's taking away the Friday from the swing person. He's taking away her Saturday, and he's taking my Sunday. So he'll have those 3 days, right? So she's training him right now, and the way that I'm going to have it set up is he'll have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. She's going to be kind of the site operations manager, and when I think of site operations manager, I think of the person that's going to be responsible for coming in, doing the inspections for this location, right? So mainly the weekends, since she's going to be here in the daytime. I have somebody in the swings, and so she's going to come in on the weekends or during the week or whatever, and she's going to inspect to make sure that, each one of the cleaners are following the checklist items that we are required to follow. In addition to that, okay, of course, she's going to be losing hours from that Sunday shift that she would have had. So in addition to that, she's going to also be inspecting other locations. She's going to be picking up supplies, and those added activities, or those added things that she's going to have to do, is going to get back the income that she would be losing from not working on the Saturday, right? So she'll be inspecting, coming in to this location, making sure they're doing what they're supposed to do. Also picking up supplies, going to buy supplies, picking up supplies from my other accounts. And when she's dropping those supplies off, she'll be doing an inspection. So that'll give her, a few hours that she can do on Friday, Saturday, or even Sunday, right? And I think that's going to help kind of alleviate me being responsible for doing all of the things that I do. Give me the ability to bring in basically a quality assurance person, quality check person, quality, inspection person, right? Also be able to pay them, because the money that she will be losing from that, she'll be able to regain back by doing the inspections and picking up the supplies, of course, right? So, we're still working on that, but I think it's something that's going to be really, really good moving forward. And that I think that's going to be a model that I'm going to try to utilize in some other areas. We have other locations in Florence and Charlotte and throughout Columbia. And I think that's going to be kind of something that I'm going to start using to kind of, one, give the people that have been working for me for a period of time, more responsibility, more ownership in their location, and just give them a sense of, hey, you are important, you are somebody that I value, and I want to make sure that your value is shown, or my appreciation for your value is shown by me giving you an added level of authority, responsibility, and I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to see how that's working out right now. I'll kind of give you a update on how it's going. Right now, I'm gonna go walk around and see how she's doing. She's still new at this. She's young. She's actually my bonus daughter, but that's been working here. But so I got to teach her how to train, how to kind of inspect, and how to carry herself as the authority, right? So this is a new position for her, but it's definitely a prototype for how I think I want, my on-site, or I guess on-site or field operations person to kind of handle, or kind of be, I guess more so. So yes, that's basically how I want my on-site or field operations manager to kind of be, that position to be conducted, and we'll let you know how it goes. So that being said, I am Sherman Lewis. If you want to follow me, definitely go to my page, my new branded page, which is ShermanLewisOfficial.com. On that website, you can see a little bit about me, my journey, about the different businesses that we have with Clean Success Academy, which is a coaching and mentoring consultation kind of page, and then also Clean Success VA Staffing Solutions, which is where you can find VAs for your business, your service-based business, that are trained in how to deal with mainly service-based industries, focus more on cleaning businesses, but it transfers over to all service-based industries, where you can have someone that's trained in how to navigate CRM, how to schedule, how to call, how to follow up, how to do everything that you need done on your admin side, even to the point that you go websites, funnels, email campaigns, anything that you can pretty much think of, our VAs can do. And here's something that puts our VA staffing solutions in another kind of a realm or category when it comes to the VA staffing agencies that are out there right now. The two things that we do, one is we train our VAs, right? And we train our VAs on the things that service-based industries really need you to be trained on. The other thing is we never leave our VAs, we never just send them out and into the deep end. We always have my exec VA who oversees my staffing agency. He's always overseeing and making sure that our VAs are on task with whatever you task them out to be. And if it's to a point where it's something that they may not be strong in or may not know how to do, or just a little bit confused, my team comes in and kind of helps them and steers them in the right direction so that your task always gets accomplished. The other thing that, and this is, I guess this is a third thing, I said two, but this is a third thing that our VAs do, is that we send out daily status reports. So after every shift, they send a daily status report, which goes to the client and also goes to us. So that way we know what has been accomplished, what hasn't been accomplished, any pitfalls or obstacles that the VAs may have encountered during their time, during their session or during their shift. That way we can address those. And like I said, our VAs are never left alone. We're always watching over them, making sure that they're going in the right direction, which keeps the VAs happy and stress-free, and also keeps our clients happy because our VAs are always getting the job done. So if you're interested in our VA service, you can go to cleansuccessacademy.com/VA. You can go straight to there to get to our VA staffing agency, or you can just go to shermanlewisofficial.com and you can click any of the links to get directly to any of those. So with that being said, you guys have a wonderful and blessed day, and we'll catch you on the next video. I'll let you know how this field operations manager part is going to actually go. So stay tuned.